In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you fix and solve X Twitter app timeline. So fixing your X Twitter app timeline means adjusting the way your feed appears to the app by managing your followed account, interacting with content you want to see more of, the potential adjusting settings related to your algorithm to ensure your timeline displays tweets that are most relevant and interesting to you based on your engagement patterns. Now, in order to fix it, so what you could do is there are a couple of different things you could do. Now, first of all, you could always go ahead and check whether there is any server issue by visiting the site like Down Detector. So you could open up a browser and type in Down Detector for Twitter. And here you could go ahead and press the first link that appears and see whether there is any issue with the server itself. If the server seems to be an issue, then you could always wait and it's gonna resolve on its own. After which you could also try basic troubleshooting steps like restarting your device. So hold on to your side buttons and try restarting your device and log in into your Twitter account. That should be able to fix it. So however, if that's not the case, you could also check your internet connection. Sometimes poor connectivity or unstable connection can lead to this issue. So you want to go to settings and go to network and internet. Here you could go ahead and make sure to disconnect any of these connections, and once again reconnect it or refresh it, and that should be able to fix it so as well. If not, you could also try updating. Sometimes outdated version can lead to such issue. So you want to go to your respective app store, and on the search box you want to type in X Twitter and locate whether you need to update it or not. So as you can see, in my case I have to update it, so click the update button and log in into the account after you're updating. That should be able to fix it. So if nothing seems to be working out, then you need to contact the support team. So for that you want to go to the browser and type in X Twitter contact, and when you locate it, so go ahead and press the first link that comes, help.x.com, and then you could report about the issue that you're facing. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.